The hot sun. The sun is a hot fireball. It makes a huge amount of energy. Thanks to that energy, all the living things on the earth can live. How does the sun make such amazing energy? The sun is made of gases like hydrogen and helium. The sun burns by changing hydrogen into helium. It is called nuclear fission. A huge amount of energy is made by nuclear fission. The sun sends the energy to the earth. Fireball. Thanks to all the living things, hydrogen, helium, burn, nuclear fission. Fireball. Thanks to all the living things, hydrogen, helium, burn, nuclear fission.